My car tire has a gauge pressure of 32 psi when it's 23 Celsius. What is the temperature in Celsius if the gauge pressure is later 48 psi? Assume the tire does not leak, the volume remains constant. Okay, so definitely we got to turn this into absolute pressure, right? So 32 plus 14.7. This is our P1, right? So 32 plus 14.7 is 46.7, right? And then P2 is equal to what? 48? Whoa. 48 plus 14.7. I bet if you got it wrong, you forgot to turn it into absolute pressure. So 48 plus 14.7 is 62.7. Right? And then this is going to be P1 over T1 is P2 over T2. Right? Because the volume stays constant, so the V on the top cancels out and it doesn't leak, so N stays constant. Okay, so P1 is 46.7. T1 is 23 plus 273.15. And then the new pressure is 62.7. I'm using this guy here, right? Here's P1, here's P2, right? And then this is going to be T2, right? And notice that T2 is going to be in kelvins, right? So we're going to have to turn that into Celsius to get the answer. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go 46.7 divided by parentheses 23 plus 273.15. And then I'm going to go 62.7 divided by that. And I get that T2 is 397.6 kelvins, right? Minus 273.15. We need to get Celsius, right? And I get T2 is equal to 124.46 degrees Celsius. There we go. So this is particularly tricky, right? The gauge pressure turned into absolute, right? Gauge pressure to absolute. And then this is non-absolute temperature, right? It's got to all be absolute, okay? Or it just isn't going to work. All right.